How to change your currency on MetaMask app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your currency on MetaMask app in easy fast way. So first thing we do is we go to MetaMask here, can click on it. Now this is the home page, as you can see. Now we go to those three lines here in the top corner and click on them, and then go down to settings right here, click on settings. And now we have many options, but you need to choose the first option. It's called general. Click on general, and here you go, you have the currency conversion. Now you can choose any currency you want to see. And that's it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. Please, if it is, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video till the end.